Very often we need to adjust the data before we even go for printing or even checking the print preview so that the data fits in the sheet properly. For that, we have to see the page layout of this section. We have got two options to go there. On menu, I can go to View and click the Page Layout button, or on bottom right, you can see we've got an option here, Page Layout. I can simply click here and it changes to Page Layout. Basically, it shows me how the data will move or spill towards the second page. Looking at this data, I can see it is going towards, these columns are showing in the page 1 and other columns are showing in page 2. I can click on top and see page layout. Let's see how we can improve this and fit everything into one page. So the easiest way to do it, let's change the orientation from portrait to landscape. Let's see how it behaves. I can see the address column has come into page 1, but still I've got last column showing in page 2. Next option what we can think of is change the margins. By default, Excel keeps normal margins. I can select narrow margins. The moment I click this, I can see the last column has also come into page 1. Overall, it looks fine, but we can still modify it further. As you can see, the whole table data is not adjusted towards the center of the page. We have got less margin towards left and more margins towards right. In order to fix that, I can go to margins and click custom margins. You can see I can select the custom margin from left, top and all this. The easiest step here to make it align horizontally, I can just check this one, horizontal align, and it will align my data horizontally towards the page. I press OK, and now I think it looks nice. I can go ahead and print. Let's see how does this behave in larger set of data. We have got some data here, and let's see how we can fit this in as much possible. Same things we will do it here. I will click on page layout and I can see it is going towards page number 1, 2, 3 and 4 pages towards right. Let's see how we can reduce it. I will do the same thing here. Orientation to landscape, margins to narrow, and let's see how we have done page number 1, page number 2 and page number 3. It still is showing page 3. If you notice here, it says page 1 of 78. We can still reduce it and fit into 2 pages, I believe, which should be fine. For that, we can use scale to fit option. Here, I can select the data, the width of the page, and I can select here to fit into 1 page, 2 page or 3 pages. So here I will select 2 pages. So basically, it will scale down my data to fit everything in 2 pages. Now you can see pages have also changed from 1 to 38. And you will also notice the scale has come down to 74, which is fine for printing.